Jennifer.
So
How do
we
they even
have.
deliver these? Look how big they are.
I know.
You
So
gotta have a big box truck to carry this crap.
I know. So it's not very heavy, but it is very significant, guys. So here we go.
Push it in. I got you. There's one. I specialize in mangrove.
Nice.
Very good.
That is very helpful.
I want to know. I don't even know what's inside of here.
We will find out shortly with the unboxing.
It's a surprise.
Yeah.
Really. So yeah, don't go anywhere. Don't turn off this channel at all. Don't click off the video because you
correct.
guys want to know.
You want to
what's in
know.
these boxes. Look at it. It's just like you're getting Hanukkah gifts. It's a beautiful thing.
It's a beautiful thing.
There we go. You want to unbox now next here or inside?
Inside.
Inside. Okay.
It's too bright out here.
Ooh, it's beautiful in here.
Yeah, it is. So as you can see, our beautiful baby banana here, it's alive, but it is so upset right now. I just trimmed off all the leaves. I put them right over here. They're hanging. I just love even a dried banana
Jennifer.
leaf. So I'm very sad, very sad.
I'm sad about something too, Jennifer. You know what that is? It smells like poop in here, like your compost.
Uh-oh.
No, it just smells.
Oh, I did.
I know you did, 'cause I smelled
put
it.
fertilizers and different things
Holy
in the
cow.
water of a lot of these
It
plants.
smells like a farm.
So it does smell like a farm.
It smells like a farm.
But, you know, they need all of these. Oh, look at my kiwi. It sprouted nicely. You guys, check this out. Oh, I'm happy. This one too. My kiwi and my kiwi pollinator. And my raspberry did not die, which is surprising. So that's exciting. Also, my grapefruit is in good repair. My Mamey sapote is the most beautiful thing ever. And this is the new plant I discovered, and I just planted it with a seed. And look at it. It's amazing, guys. And I don't know if you guys can see me, but I just love this thing. And then here's a blackberry. And this blackberry is just beautiful. You can see how nice it is. The key lime totally died. It's not dead, but I don't know if it'll make it or not. We shall see. Coffee plant, totally. I just took all the leaves off. I'm taking all leaves off of plants. Yeah, same thing with, I'm having a loss of words here, but my pomegranate tree, I took all the leaves off, but it is clearly not dead. Oh, look at this though. I got all this new growth with the elderberry, which I'm super excited about. And of course, a lot of the figs are fine and dandy. The pineapple, they lost a couple of leaves here and there. Lost a couple of leaves, but are doing really, really well. So right here, they have these big staples. This is all I do, is I put a lot of pressure. Okay, so I bought an ice cream banana.
Of course, why wouldn't you?
Of course I did. That's exactly what I did. And they're gonna securely place your trees in. This is from the company called Fast Growing Trees. They a lot of times will come in with extra bamboo, but what you're just gonna wanna do is come right here, take the wrapping, maybe not. We're gonna just try to pull.
You want me to lift it up?
Hold on. Usually they have a gap or more plasticky right here, but they really didn't want it to break. Oh, they have my second one. Hold on to the box.
I got it. I got this end.
They have my second one wrapped in there too. That's why. Okay, guys, if you have 2 trees, then they accidentally have one of my branches strapped under here, and that's why I couldn't get it up. Now I know. So just make sure you undo both sides if you have more than one tree. In your box, do all your straps. And it's going to come with probably some directions. This feels very damp in here, so they have given it a lot of good
How tall are those things? Stand next to it, see how tall they are.
It's about 4 feet,
Okay.
right?
You're like 5'3", so it's a little taller than you.
All right, so this box will have to be disassembled. I'm gonna try to move it. I also got some root rocket fertilizer. Is that something that they recommended to get? But again, when you get things ordered, it will tell you when they're ready. So a lot of times these fruit trees, you'll put it. You have to make sure that whatever they're giving you, if you're going to a reputable company, they will tell you, okay, they're going to deliver it in April or May or June or July. They're going to tell you when your delivery is going to come. So even though you buy something, it may not come until it says it's time and it's ready for you.
You got low batteries, so you got just a couple minutes here.
So here's the root rocket. And that is really nice to have. I paid for that a little bit extra because I wanted, when I put these in a pot or I put them in the ground, and I think I'm gonna do ground in these guys and see what happens. Okay, same thing here, guys. I have to be really careful. It looks like they didn't brace these. So maybe some different wrappers for this one. But as you can see, they come pretty tethered. But we know these are going to recuperate just fine and liven right up, which is super exciting to me. Okay, so we have, I forgot to tell you. Okay, so we have ice cream banana. Why do I have these? Because they're in zones that are a little closer to, I believe it's 7 to 11. No, I think it's 8 to 11. But our zone is 8B, so I have to be well within between those two zones for tropicals to survive here. So, and then I got 2 mangoes. Now, these are called, and I have to think, Glen mango. So these are supposed to be much hardier than the ones that I have been growing that I have gotten from the store. So we shall see how this goes. I am super excited to get these planted. I think these can go outside. I think we need to try it.